How you doing, Boz, huh? How you doing? All right, well, good morning, everyone. We're getting our day started. It's about 8:30. We're at the same field that we ended last video on. So it sounds like the plan for today is that me and Foster both are going to be operating the combine. We'll get this full day of combining in, and we should be good to go. So we're in the cleaner right now. We are, like I said, we're driving this for the day. We'll give you guys a little walk around of what you gotta do when you're operating it and everything you gotta look for and whatnot. So right now, as I'm driving, I'm looking at how fast I'm going. We want to go around 4.2, and I'm staying in between the row. You obviously don't want to go outside of your fourth row. It's the fourth row for us. We're an 8-row header. We're approaching the end here, so I'm gonna get ready. Get my thumb on the raise header button, raise it, and then you can speed up, turn around, and go to the next 8 rows. Dumping into the grain cart, when you're doing your first load into it, there's really no way to it. You're just dumping into it. But when you're going in your second load and there's already corn in there, that is when you want to start at the front and work your way back. You go front to back. A little low spot there. All right, we just switched. We got Foster going. Well, stuff happens, I guess. Yeah, not much to say about that.
Max cleaning it up. A little dusty out. Good job.
Thank you. All right, I think it's time to eat some lunch. Show you guys what I got. Not a sandwich, just a regular old ham sandwich. These are dried mangoes. I just saw them in my house, so I packed them. Regular old chips, just like yesterday. And for today's dessert, we got a pumpkin bar. And this is made from Grandma, so you know it's gonna be good. Let's see what Foster's got. No sandwich, but we got apple. Apple's always good for you, Same little fruit pies, muscle milk. And it looks like we got some Funyuns in there, and Funyuns and Pringles, is it?
Yeah, I ate all the wavy Lays.
Ate all the wavy Lays.
Just because he got off the road.
We got the header a little plugged up there. It got plugged there because we were off a row, but that's all right. We just had to back up a little bit, get realigned, and you're going to go straight from there.
All right, let's go unclog this. Down more. I'm too short. I'm too short. We got it. All right, just me in the combine now. I'm running the combine by myself. Well, it's been probably half an hour since Mac left, and I have 50 acres left of this field. We're definitely gonna finish it tomorrow. It's about 5 o'clock. We're done for the day, and we're driving back to the truck over there. Me and Dave are gonna drive back to the farm and call it a night. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, and see you on the next one.